India's labor code reforms. The gig economy represents a labor market dominated by short-term contracts, freelance work, and temporary roles, rather than permanent employment. Here, workers operate on a project-to-project basis, often referred to as gigs, rather than being traditional full-time employees of a single organization. Labor laws. Implementation delayed. India's move towards simplifying its labor laws through the implementation of 4 consolidated labor codes has faced delays. Code on Wages Act, 2019, passed by Parliament in 2019, effective from April 1st, 2020, replaces Payment of Wages Act, 1936, Paisa-Wagle, Minimum Wages Act, 1948, MIWARA, Payment of Bonus Act, 1965, Punjab, Equal Remuneration Act, 1976, Engineer, Key Provisions, Introduction of a national floor wage considering workers' living standards. Maximum punishment, 3-month imprisonment and a fine of $1 lakh. Benefits of new labor codes. 1. Simplification. Consolidates 29 central laws, reducing redundancy. 2. Ease of doing business, simplifies definitions and authorities for businesses. Dispute resolution, offers quicker mechanisms for resolving disputes. 4. Gender parity, encourages equal opportunities for men and women. 5. Safety standards, enhances workplace safety and flexibility. Key legal cases. 1. West Coast Employers Federation v. State of Kerala directed a fresh inquiry into wage fixing, stating that the capacity to pay is not a relevant factor for minimum wages. 2. Hindustan Sanitary Ware and Industries Limited and Ors v. State of Haryana, 2019, the Supreme Court ruled parts of Haryana's minimum wage notification invalid, citing government interference with employer-employee contracts, prohibition of wage segregation into allowances, minimum wage notification exceeding the scope of the Minimum Wages Act, 1948. Criticisms against the new labor codes. A. Perceived as anti-worker, critics argue that the reforms favor businesses over workers. B. Easier layoffs. Increases the types of companies that can fire workers without government approval. C. Restrictive union norms. Introduces tighter rules on strikes. D. Women's night shifts. Discards rules preventing women from working night shifts, raising safety concerns. E. Social Security. Limited provisions for startups and MSMEs. F. Invisible labor ignored. No recognition for unpaid and unregulated work like household management. Conclusion. While the new labor codes aim to modernize and streamline India's labor laws, criticism regarding worker rights, social security gaps, and gender-related safety issues highlight the need for balanced implementation. Striking a harmony between economic growth and worker welfare remains key to making these reforms truly effective.